how the garden looks like after our holiday in Philippines. So need to do some weeding on it. So look at black eye season, but the weeds had gone too long, so we need to cut it. So stay for a while and we'll just look at it afterwards. I think we need to cut the lavender. It should be cut by the end of August, but because we're in Philippines that time, so we'll cut it now. We need to cut it. Thank you.
A few moments later.
Hi, good evening. This is Egi the guy from London, and I'm here in our patio in our garden. So when I first arrived coming from the Philippines after 3 to 4 weeks of vacation, like this. So you will see earlier how the grass has been growing because of no people here since 3 to 4 weeks. So I'll show you now what it looks like. So hold for a while. The rain I think the TV is violet one. It's getting evening now, so the news is there. Susan. But look at now, the grass is now green. So it's nice to see the grass. The lawn has been cut, so it's okay now, so you can see. But I think there's many things to be done, like this one. This one grew, but this one is a weed. It's a big weed, so it needs to be done by the plant. A weed as well, so I need to cut this. So we'll try to give the update to cut the weeds and to do more the garden. So this cherry tree, I think needs more tidying up. We're going out now, so here's the house, blue house. I think this needs to be cut. Many plants here. So maybe this needs to be cut. So I think there's a lots to be done here. So see you. You can see the solar lights because it's now evening. And for the past 3 days, it's been warm. So I need to water the plants because I think they need it. So I'll water the plants. So thank you for watching the vlog. And see you in our next vlog in the garden update. It's again the guy from London. See you.